wanna go? What I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. What I really need to know. Can we get it together?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a beginner friendly wig installation with ball cap method, step by step. So I started off with seeing which wig cap would work best for me, and I did a little thing to the wig before. It came pre-plucked and everything. I'm not so good with the bleaching as yet, so I just said, okay, let me just do the ball cap method. Normally if I'm doing my wigs, I normally just do my cornrows and then boom boom boom, I get right into putting on the wig. I never done the ball cap before, so let's do this. So I then went in with my Got To Be freezing spray, but before I used the Got To Be gel to push back my edges, because I normally do my wigs a bit off my hairline just to protect it. So I did the freezing spray and I used the blow dryer. I got this from my local beauty supply store foundation, my shade, and I think I saw a YouTube video and the influencer, she used that instead of doing the bleaching method, so I decided I want to follow that step and see how it turned out. And yeah, it worked for me. Time to put on the wig and see what I want so far. So because it was a bit bigger than my head, you know, I've cut off the excessive lace and I used my clips and so forth for better guidance to match, to know the amount. And you see, all I did, I applied the same foundation on the lace, because as I said, I'm still learning how to bleach the knots, so I didn't want to go ahead and say, oh, let me jump and do this. So
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight.
I went in with my glue. You know, far this glue I come from, this glue is coming from Jamaica. So I bought it off Instagram from my hairstylist and I put it in my suitcase when I was migrating, and it's still doing its thing. So I went in my first layer. I did the other 2 layers off camera, and you know, I used my blow dryer. I want it sticky. I then went ahead and I put on some of the freezing spray. After you finish that step, you get your wig band and you just lay that baby on there for a couple of minutes and just let that sit and everything hold. And by this time, you know, yeah, look at that. I was in love at this point and I did not know how to. I normally see my friends do their wigs and I'm like, okay, I know I can do this, let me just try. But in doing it, I'm like, if I overthink the steps, it's gonna be too jumbled for me. So I just took my time and I just laid that baby down.
Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Using my freezing spray to just tap down the little edges that were not laid in the first place. Melting spray to just on my finger and to just do a little pressing. If you don't want to do all of this extra stuff, you don't have to, but I wanted to just do it all and see how it works out. For styling, I'm not going to lie, I'm not gonna cap. I called my little sister and I'm like, I'm about to style the wig, but you know me, it's either just a side part and I'm on my way. So she said, no, you have to be extra. I believe in you, believe in yourself. So big up one Shan all the way from Jamaica. Yes, my little sister assisted me in doing the styling and it turned out pretty good. So I'm have to shout her out. It might look complicated, just believe in yourself and you can do it. You just have to know where you want your edges to be, where you want your braids to be, and you just take your time, move at your own pace and just do what you need to do. And I promise you, you'll love it.
Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know this.
For the ponytail, I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I just part in small sections just because I want it to be as flat as possible. I didn't want the ponytail to look too puffy, so that's all I did. I got this from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. All the products that I use will be in the description box below.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I.
So now the ponytail is basically out the way. I'm going to just do the crisscross with my braids. I use regular hairpins to tuck it down, and you're just doing a crisscross motion. So I did the first two at the front, and I made sure that they had a strong hold. A little pre-plucking for the edges because I didn't want it to look too much. So I'm just using this teeny curling iron that I purchased from my local beauty supply store to just form my edges, so it makes it easier for when it's time to lay those baby down. Yeah, you have a better control. To lay your edges, you can use the Got To Be gel, or you can also use the Gorila Snot. The Gorila Snot gives you a better hold, yeah, long lasting hold.
Baby, I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
One down, 3 to go, and in the midst I was using the hot comb to just lay as I go. Big mistake. You want to order those ear thingies off Amazon or wherever you can before you actually plan on using the hot comb. I learned the hard way. That hurt. And of course I didn't have that, so I had to use my hand. Would I say at Jamaica, use your hand and don't fashion. So that's what your girl did. My sister was still on the phone and she was just laughing because she's like, you're such a clown.
I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
I finished my edges off camera and then I went into, wrap up the ponytail. The Gorila Snot really works. No flares. It holds. Everything's just gonna stay in place until it's time for you to take that baby off or freshen up your edges. Let's just say sha'anga that. Do drop a comment down below on how useful was this video. How did I do? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified when new videos drop. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.
Hold you for life.